Welcome to my tutorial on animating your sprites. In this video, we will cover creating the sprites, importing the sprites, and playing the animation. We will be using Skill again for these sprites. To keep the video nice and short, I created a few basic sprites that I will be using in this tutorial. Once you have made your own sprites, you can see the animation playing up here. I just made a simple whatever this is supposed to be, and to export them, you've got to go down to export, selected frame export, hit download, save it wherever you want to save it. I'm saving this in a folder on my desktop called tutorial assets. So I'm going to just name this one 1, so it's the first frame. I'm going to go to the second frame, export, selected frame export. Once you have saved all of your frames, you can go back into Defold. Now, this is just a clean project, so I'll be showing the whole step-by-step process. Go main, new, atlas. Let's name it main. Create a new folder, name that assets, and we can drag and drop our assets into the assets folder. Now we can make a new animation group in the atlas. We'll just name this animation. Right click at animation up here, or whatever you've named it. Add images. Here you can select the frames you've done. So select them in order, so 1, 2, 3, 4. OK. Now if we hit F, we can see that they've all been added. And if we hit space, we can see it playing. When you hit space, make sure you highlight it over this. However, it's extremely fast, far too fast. So we can change the FPS here, which is the frames per second, to change how fast the animation plays. I'm going to set this to 3, and I'm going to save the atlas. Now I go back to the main.collection, which is the main view of the game. Right click up here, add game object. So we've got our game object here, which I'm going to call animated sprite. Can right click here again, add component, and add the sprite component. Scroll down to where you can see the image and properties, hit the 3 dots here, and select the atlas you created just before. And for default animation, you select the animation that you named. Hit F, and now we've got the animation inside of the atlas. We can change the size of it if we want. I'm gonna bring it up, should be pretty big. So let's set it to 5. And I'm going to drag it up into the top right corner. Save and Control B to quickly build. Got to allow access. And you can see the animation is now playing. If it isn't playing in the right order, you can go back to the atlas and you can change the order by holding Alt and then the arrow key you want to move up. So now this is the fourth frame, 2 is the last frame. You want it to be the second frame, so hold Alt and then hit the up arrow key, and now it's up. And now it's in the right order. So if I save that, a build again with Control B, now we can see it is in the right order. So now I've got this animation playing, and that's all you need to do. And that's it. Now you know how to animate your sprites in Defold with these basic steps. You can create more complex animations by adding more frames, adjusting the playback speed, and adding additional animations to your game objects. In the next tutorial, I'll be showing how to make animations play through a script instead of playing when the game starts. Thank you for watching.